Corbin.
Look at that crankshaft.
Main bearings are scarred.
We got an extra set right there. Got a lot done.
Really? What have we done?
We pushed the truck in. That was a job.
We did a lot without
Actually,
getting.
I pushed the truck in. You were more interested in the cows than helping.
Well, what I was saying is we did a lot recently, but we didn't get it on video.
I painted that.
Yeah.
That is paint.
From Schmedding. You getting that raw iron. What are y'all eating? Oh, he's eating the door. No other steps. Or is there a fender in there? He's sizing me up. That door tastes good? Yeah? That thing's got some good bearings. Yeah. Looks like this one right here is a little bramer in them. The ears and the head shape. It's actually a little heifer there in the back. She got a little bramer in her. She keeps on wanting to turn her head every time I try to video. See if I can get her to look at her. Look how slick she is compared to these others. All right, Corbin, what are we doing tonight?
So I'm gonna get the fan off. I'm gonna get the intakes off. Get like stuff out of the way that's gonna be in the way of lifting the engine. And yeah.
The Savi?
If you understand, you understand. If not, well then you don't. Because you probably remember putting this on. Because the other one was broke, so I had to. So here's what I had to do. I had to put this one on here, but it was a different pulley, so I had to swap the pulley because it was a ribbed pulley, not a smooth pulley. So
I want to say I do.
It was like right before I got it like on the road, like really messy.
I don't know.
You know, this is probably not going to work. I'm probably going to end up breaking it, but. Suspension is shot. Definitely shot. Or it could be the bushings.
Or we could KC swap this thing right now.
I was looking at you're not going to like when I say this, but I was looking at Smeeding kits.
I don't have anything against them. They're 360 bearing.
No, not Smeeding. It deletes. It doesn't delete. It replaces this manifold, and it makes the two connect to a T4. Because a lot of the reason why the regular 6.7 turbos are so expensive because it keeps this solid exhaust housing where you have an inlet up here and an inlet on the bottom down here. But it deletes that, makes it a T4. Like the whole kit's like $2,500. Turbo, pedestal, manifold, adapters, pipe kit, all that.
See where its tension's not there.
It's right here. It's right there. You can't see it, but it's over there. It's over there. Look at it.
You're gonna have to believe us that it's there. I'm not getting up there. Gio is here. He's the best yapper on the camera.
I forgot to invite him. You can invite him if you want.
He's not gonna respond to me.
Nope, he doesn't need work on his truck.
He's gonna see this video and he's gonna, oh, I should respond to Gus. And then left me undelivered for like a week.
Yeah, he's 6.7 bumper shop this truck.
Yeah. Gio, if you see this, respond to me.
Hey, so I see you in GP. My bad.
We also did some resealing.
I just resealed the whole cooler today too.
Valve covers are next. This is the motor out of the Platinum
motor in it.
As you can see here, we had a little leak going on. That thing was having a lot of pressure to push that oil out. Yep. I don't know, Corbin, that is beyond me. But we almost got the good engine. Why is my camera doing that? in the the good engine and the good truck. We're just bolting the engine up to the transmission. We might get copyrighted too. YouTube, don't pay no attention to it. Kid Cudi, he has all rights to this video. Corbett, we want to do something about this rat's nest up in here.
It'll burn out.
It didn't burn out before. Now we don't have to worry about Craig's roof caving in on us. So, come on, stabilize, baby. Interesting.
So we got Slim over here painting my valve covers.
Priming it right now.
Yep. Well, I got some stuff to do. Got the engine put in the King Ranch. I got some gasket stuff to do. A little miscellaneous stuff. Got a little mess going here. Need to clean up.
It was a good finger workout. My finger's locked up right now.
Finger game on lock. So yeah, a little update on the King Ranch. Got the Platy motor in. As you can see, these valve covers are leaking. That's why I just took the valve covers off the other truck and they're painting them. They're gonna reseal everything. I gotta do the vacuum pump is leaking a little bit. There's gonna be like tidying stuff up before the cab goes on. I still gotta put the rest of the bell housing bolts in, torque converter nuts, turbo. I do have a painted intake piping kit, which you can see right here. Turned out pretty good. Not my best work but for just spray paint, not bad. And it'll last me long enough till I can actually afford powder coat. One other thing I'm doing is swapping the engine harness. I already did the lower harness, the one for the battery cables that runs down under. I'm gonna do the other harness up here because there's little spots in there where rats have like chewed through wire and stuff like that, and I really don't want to get all this done and have a bad wire somewhere trying to follow it around, chase it, whatever. So I'm gonna swap the harness from this engine over to this.